you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that.
All right, y'all. So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Honey, I got on this tropical outfit because I am manifesting a vacation. Okay, don't judge me for manifesting a vacation, girl. Okay, I got all this juicy meat out because I'm manifesting a vacation. Okay, girl. Anyways, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Isee Hair. Shout out to you, Isee, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Okay, so the wig that I am rocking is their medium cap size 9x6 HD Lace Straight Bob Wig. I have it in 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys details and specs they have listed. And then I'll go on their site and give you guys some more. But so number one, no glue required. Okay, so you guys know, like, these companies will send me stuff, but honey, my memory is that of a flea. Okay, so I'm just gonna read you guys what they told me to say. No glue required. Our M cap wig has a perfect hairline. Don't need baby hair. I did throw one. I did throw a baby hair. I'll tell you why later. Please show advantages of our new products in detail in the video. Thank you very much. The largest lace area achievable in pre-cut wigs. A 9x6. So this unit is a 9x6, and honey, when I say I curved, oh girl, like, and still had a little space here before I hit some wealth, they ain't lying, girl. They ain't lying. Removable combs to meet different needs. So, and you guys know I am a fan of that. I love combs. I need my combs. But I also understand there are people that don't want any combs. I get it, girl. I get it. I love combs, so I like that they are now offering removable combs. And with Isee Hair, and I hope that's the case with everybody's packaging, which I'm sure it is, they offered additional combs. So in case you lose these jokers that are removable, you get 3 extra ones. Okay, so shout out to them for that. Most attentive ear shaped design. So the design is ear shaped. And you guys know I have very large ears, okay? Because there's still some more ear there. It is good ear shape design. I feel like it's better for ears that are smaller. Like, This is the most comfortable I have had in a unit, but I do have very large ears, and it don't always work for me, but I think it will work for the masses, if that makes sense. 3D cap design makes lay flat, fit, and snug along the hairline and tiny knots. And I do agree with that, because once again, y'all, whenever I add my makeup, and I know it's supposed to be the opposite, but for me, and it's probably because first of all, I do wear my makeup about 2 shades darker, and then I add bronzer. No, then I add contour, then I add bronzer, and then I add another bronzer. And I think that just throws things off. Like, I don't, if you can see the contrast there, okay? So without my makeup, it blends effortlessly. But once I add my makeup and the makeup gets on the wig, and lately I've been trying to make sure that the makeup does not get on the wig, because that seems to be the problem. Okay, girl, that seems to be the issue, is when my bronzer gets on the wig. It's not even really my foundation, it's my bronzer. So whenever I get it on the wig, then you can kind of see a line of demarcation. But prior to that, old girl is HDing, okay? Old girl is HDing, and you couldn't see a thing, okay? So hopefully I've added that clip so you guys can see it. Let me fix my wig back, y'all. And she's back. Okay, so yeah, I think that is the issue, but overall this wig is definitely does lay super flat. I have no adhesive on it whatsoever, other than the little bit of mousse that I put over here. That is all the adhesive I have on this wig, so shout out to them, they didn't lie. So now I'm gonna go on the site and give you guys a little bit more details and specs. I know y'all tired of me rambling, because you good can talk, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into the details and specs. Okay, so on their site it says 9x6 medium cap, Isee medium cap, wear go straight, 9x6 HD lace glueless wig, pre-bleached, tiny knots. Okay, so it says it's available in a natural density and 250% density, and it is available in 10 to 30 inches. So they have on here 10-inch bob, 12-inch bob, 14-inch bob, and 16-inch bob. Now, honey, had I known they had all those options, you guys know I would have went for the 10-inch bob, because I have a very, very short neck. So the bob's gonna be bobbing on me. Okay, a long bob is not gonna bob on me. Now, the Hearts and Cakes 90, who has the neck of a Beyonce or a Giselle, a gazelle. Look, I'm trying to say Beyonce Giselle. If you have a neck of a gazelle, okay, girl, then you're good. But for the short necked women of the world, like your girl over here, I personally prefer a 10-inch. Sometimes, honey, honestly, y'all, preferably an 8-inch bob. But whatever, we'll make it work. And obviously it's a straight texture, blase blase. So those are all the details and specs that they sent me. Now this wig did come pre-bleached, it came pre-cut, it came pre-tweezed. I did not do anything to this wig. Literally, I just took it out today, looked at it, and was like, oh, okay, let me see what they want me to do, and went from there. Now honestly, I was gonna wear it in the straight part, but they did ask me to do a curved C part, and I guess that was just because they really wanted to show all the room that you have, because this is a deep curve, okay? And once again, shout out to them for that. As far as it shedding and tangling, I did not receive any of the things that straight out the packaging, so I didn't expect no girl to do nothing. Things. It was a straight wig and it's a bob, okay? So I did not expect any other things, but it didn't straight out the packaging. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any other things, just straight out the packaging. It did not. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I think you can make it work across the board. Although I do feel like it's geared more to medium to large heads. I think if you have a smaller head, you can adjust that elastic band and make old girl work, okay? But I only got the heads on my shoulders, so do with that what you want to do with that, girl, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because if you know me, then you know your girl like to end on a high note. And my con for this wig is gonna be the length of the bob, and that is just like a personal thing, okay? Because like I already told y'all, I prefer a shorter bob. I just don't have a very long neck, and the bob is just giving like a everyday length. It's not giving bob, and I want bob, okay? So that's gonna have to be my con. Okay, girl, the pros are endless. First of all, it's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, and it's pre-tweezed. Okay, you can't go wrong with any other things, and it is a really cute bob. Now, even though I said I don't like the length, I love the unit. So that is two different things. Like the length, I wish it was shorter to give bob, but as the unit as a whole, I love the unit. Okay, so I love the style of it. I love how easy it was to style. I love how easy it was to throw on and go. So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I haven't met a unit from Isee that I wouldn't recommend, okay? But this one is no different. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you guys, all right y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. All right, y'all, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you Isee for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping me to see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love ups next time. Bye.